Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your email address on TesterUp account. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, open a web browser and log into TesterUp.com. Once you're signed into the account, click on the settings button appearing at the top of the screen. Scroll all the way down from your settings menu and get to the email address option. Click the pencil icon right next to your email and enter the new email you would like to change to for your TesterUp account. Now, soon after you type in the new email address, you will be able to change your email on TesterUp account. Now, it'll ask you to confirm your email. So once you get to the main home page, click on confirm your email address and it'll take you to this page where it says an email with a verification link has been sent to your new email address. Click open a new tab and log into your new email address inbox where you'll receive an email verification link. Click it open and click on confirm email in order to verify your new email address, and that's how you will be able to change your email address on TesterUp account. Next time logging into your account, you will need to enter the newly created email. So that's how it's done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.